Hello children, I hope all my friends are doing absolutely great. Well, there's an important update for COMEDK aspirants. So if at all you are one, hear me out carefully. So if by any chance you have done any mistake while filling in the application form, whether it's while uploading the pictures or probably filling in your category details or your academic details, then there is a chance to rectify it. But this chance is for only very less time. So make sure you listen to me carefully and do what is necessary in the given time. Okay, so they have enabled the editing window, and with my experience I'm telling you, they are very particular with the timings. So it's from 2 p.m. of 10th of April 2026 to 2 p.m. of 13th of April 2026, where you can edit your application form. And as I said, it is for selected fields only. So they have mentioned it that the facility is provided to the candidates to rectify any inadvertent mistakes committed in what? Uploading photo and signatures, the category details, and in entering their academic details. Anything apart from it cannot be corrected. For example, if at all you are thinking that I can use the editing option for changing the applicant name or probably the email ID or probably the mobile number or the test city preference, you cannot do it. This is strictly said it is not being allowed. And I also told you while I made the video during application form filling process, right? So candidates are advised to verify the entries completely for their correctness, because once the changes are submitted, any further request either through phone, fax, email or any other mode of communication to change the same will not be entertained, and they will not. Okay, and the application will be processed in accordance with the changes that is made. Therefore, candidates are cautioned to fill up the online application form carefully, as the request for change in the application data entered and submitted online will not be entertained. So yes, if you have any issues with these things, category details, academic details, or while uploading your picture or signature, make sure you change up there. If not, then you sit and relax, because anyway we cannot do anything about that. The window is open from 2 p.m. of 10th of April to 2 p.m. of 13th of April. Do that. For that you would have to log in and do the changes. Okay, so log in, fill in your details such as your application number or password and the captcha, and then further you can go ahead with editing it. Yes, I hope it made sense. Post that, my dear children, you would be getting your admit card as well. The date for the tentative admit card is, usually they are very particular, as I said, it would be 29th of April 2026. So you have enough time for that. We'll be making separate video on it, and if you want to get the updates regularly, do not forget to hit the subscribe button. Now, one more very important thing before you go ahead, and that is we have launched COMEDK 30. It's a 30-day crash course. The classes have started on 6th of April, but still you have got time. Make sure you take it up. It's a crash course. There will be full syllabus coverage. There will be 5 full-length mock tests as well, live doubt-solving sessions every single day, and DPPs would be given. That is, daily practice papers would be given, and the pricing for that is rupees 2499. And if you're just looking for a test series, that is also available. Fresh mock tests are there. 12 full-length mock tests are there, and the pricing for that is rupees 999. So you can talk to your seniors about it and then take it. But definitely it is going to help you out. And that's all I wanted to say. Wishing you the best. Please take care of yourself. And as I said, do not forget to hit the subscribe button. Bye-bye. See you soon.